Look, Tessa's afraid of the water.
Nicholas.
Guys, let's not fight, Kenny. Let's not fight over it.
Guys, if you're going to fight over the hose, we're going to take it away.
Yeah.
And we don't want it in our face.
Come on, guys. Just let it fill up the pool. Look, Tessa's disappearing. Oh.
Jump.
Ouch. Tessa!
Nick, keep the water in the pool, please, Nick. Hey, Nick, not in people's faces, Nick.
Nick, you put in your face one more time and you're in a timeout. Can you hear me? Not in his face. Not in anybody's face.
I like it in my face. I like it in my face.
But that's...
Tessa, what are you doing?
In my face.
This is. What are these guys going to be like when we take them to McCormick's?
How long until one of them is dead to me? Whoa!
Hey! Tessa!
Ken.
What happened?
Let's just take a break without the water for a couple minutes, guys.
Yeah, let's just.
Careful! What could go wrong? Whoa! Double dip. Whoa! Go, Alex! Dip into the other one. Go, Barry! Dip into the other one. Go, Nick! Go, Alex! It's amazing when you're trained to do this. Whoa! You okay, Barry?
Tessa!
Whoa!
Whoa, careful. Oh, there she is. Hey, Kenny. Buddy, it's okay. You know what? We can clean it out. We'll just put some more water in there, bud.
Do you want me to scoop out the grass? Here we go. Scoop.
We're going to have to get some pool equipment, I guess, huh?
Scoop out the grass.
Andy, you're about to get splashed.
What?
I don't. Because it's too dirty at night.
Whoa.
Bumblebee, time out.
Uh-oh.
Stay away from him, honey. He's fine.
Where's the bumblebee?
He's not going to bother you.